Afternoon, children. Today I am going to show you some practical work first and then we will move to chapter, right? So here you just see in first row how many matchsticks is there? One matchstick, right? Here in second row 2 and here third row 3 and fourth row 4, right? So in each row how many matchsticks increasing? So 1, right? This is a common pattern. Commonly I used here, I am adding 1 in second row and I am adding 1 in third row and I am adding 1 matchstick in fourth row also. So commonly I am using only 1, right? So this is called sequences. This is called sequences. Gradually we are following the same pattern or a common elements we are using in each rows, right? So this is a sequence. Today we are going to see chapter sequences. So what chapter today we are going to see? Sequences. What is sequence? Sequence is nothing but a what? Common pattern or a common relation. Okay. So what is the exact definition for sequence? What is the exact definition? A real valued sequence is a function. First of all, you know very well what is function and what is not a function, you know very well, right? A sequence is a function. So define on the set of natural numbers. Now only I said in first row how many numbers is there? 1. In second row how many numbers? 2. And third row 3, 4. So natural number starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that only, no? So is defined on the set of natural number and taking the real values. You know very well real values, it comes under all the numbers. Okay. All numbers we can say as a real numbers. Okay, this is a sequence. For example, see here in first row 1 ball is there. Second row 2 ball. And third row 3 ball. And fourth row 4 ball. So here what number I am increasing? Common number is plus 1. Here plus 1. Here plus 1. So this is the common number I used here. This is a common number I used here. A sequence is nothing but a sequence is defined as a pattern or common relation. So listen, now I am going to write here example. First 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, going on. So it will goes on, right? Okay. So all are having one name, right? I am having one name, you are having one name. In sequence also, here we should say that all the numbers one name. It is a term. This is one term. This is term. So what is first number? It is a first term. What is this? 2, second term. This is third term. This is fourth term. So each element in the sequence is called the term of a sequence. Each element in a sequence is called a term. This is called term, first term. So this is first term. First term we can say A. It is a symbol for first term. So in smaller classes, LKG, we learn first element is A only, no? So here in maths we are using first term as small a. Okay. And next we are going to see, this is the first term. The element in the first position is called the first term. The element in the first position is called the first term. Okay. The element in the second position is called second term. This is second term. Okay. You understand? First, what is sequence? It is a pattern. It is a pattern or a common relation. It is a pattern or a common relation. So here I am adding 1. Here I am adding 1. So your common thing is plus 1 is common. And next I wrote here example 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. What is the name of 1? It is a first term. It is a first term. What is the name of this here? Second position. It is a second term. Third position. Third term. Fourth position. Fourth term. Okay, we should use here each element in a sequence is called a term. The element in a sequence is called a term. Okay, don't forget this. Okay, and next we will say this one first term as a Okay, otherwise we can say this one as first term we can say T1. What is this? T1. And next one we will say second term as T2. This one is T3, term 3. This is term 4. Okay, we can consider this also. Okay, like this also we can consider. This is term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4. Now you understand what is sequence? Sequence is also a function. Also a function, and we can say it is as a pattern or a common relation. It is as a pattern or a common relation. Okay, you understood? In next video we will see the exercises sums. Now over. Thank you.